Hey guys, for this video, I want to share with you my favorite way to score amazing deals on car parts. I'm talking up to 90% off, and we're going to do that through Amazon warehouse deals that are filtered by our specific vehicle. And I took a couple of screenshots of specific deals available right now just to give you an example. It's up to 90% off. This Dorman front driver's side lower control arm for a Lexus is on sale for $5.07. Incredibly cheap. This here, we have the Dorman passenger side power window regulator for Toyotas, $5.19. Now you'll notice both of these are listed as used because they are Amazon warehouse deals. So those are items shipped and sold by Amazon, but they have been usually returned for some reason. And in the sake of car parts, I'm guessing people bought the wrong item or ended up not needing it, but it comes with the same return policy and warranty as any other Amazon product. And something like this window regulator, you're going to know as soon as you open the box if it's damaged or anything's wrong with it. You can return it or you keep it, and you scored an amazing deal for $5. I've bought so many parts for my cars, the 66 Caprice you're seeing here, the 73 Corvette, and then even newer car parts. So here's how you do it. It's real simple once you know how. I will have this page linked down below so you can follow along. But the first step is we have to add our vehicle to our Amazon account because we need the vehicle ID, which we're going to get to in 1 second. So you add the vehicle to your Amazon account right there. Once you have done that, you need to go to this link in step 2. That's going to bring you to a page where the top looks like this. You select your vehicle if you have more than one on your account, and you're going to click Find Parts. Then on to step 3. Once we get to the Find Parts page, we're going to look up in the URL. So for this portion, you need to be on a web browser. You cannot be using the Amazon app for this to work. And this is where we get the vehicle ID that we need to filter down, so we're only looking at parts that fit our vehicle. So we want everything after the ampersand AF equals. So here's a screenshot of the vehicle ID for my Caprice. So we're highlighting the ampersand AF equals. This is the ID, and we're going all the way to the next ampersand, but we are not including it. See right there? Now we're going to copy that, and then we're going to go to one of these links. There's actually 5 different links here to choose from. We can do 90% off or more, 80%, 70%, 60%. Now, I would recommend just going to 60% because 90%, when it's 90% off and a very specific vehicle, you're not going to get a ton of options. You may want to just look at it to see what's available, but you're going to get the most options, the most selection of discounted products when you go to the 60%. So just click one of these links and paste your vehicle ID that you got here to the end of the URL. So when you get there, you're just going to paste it right on the tail end right here. Hit enter. It's going to reload the page. It's going to show 60% off and only things that fit your vehicle. Now, if you just want to look at all the Amazon warehouse deals and you don't care how much it's discounted, that's this link down here at the bottom, and it's the exact same process. You are just going to click this, paste your vehicle ID to the end, and it'll work for everything. Now, in addition to very specific products, they'll also have just car accessories that can fit a wide range. Or maybe you're a reseller and you want to pick something up to then flip it on eBay. Or if you have a shop or something where you want really good deals, but you really don't care what specific vehicle it fits, you can use any of these links and it'll take the 90% off items. That's where I found the 2 examples that I showed you. The window regulator for $5.19 and the control arm for $5.07. All I did to find those was click this 90% off link right here and just start scrolling through looking for things that are interesting. Some are going to be real obscure parts. Other things, if you have that vehicle, it's very likely someone could need a control arm. That is not an odd thing to have to replace at all, or the window regulator. So you can really get amazing deals. I'm going to have this linked down below, and they change all the time. One bonus tip: about a week to 3 weeks after major sales on Amazon, after Prime Day, after Black Friday, really after Christmas, the Amazon warehouse deals section is full of stuff because those are times where people are returning a lot of items, and you end up with just a lot of really amazing deals for the Amazon warehouse deals. So those are times of the year that it's really beneficial to be checking this page. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.